Once I did this, I could supersede anyone. You know, in my mind, I could be a god, and no one could challenge me.
I don't hold shit in but the codeine, nigga. Money so long, get more green, nigga. Pilot got a pilot in my backyard, nigga. Got a bitch with a shot of shit, clap off, nigga. If you fucking with a G, all G's will find. I'm a LGM nigga, so it ain't no lying. Rich gang, I'm a young money nigga like Birdman. My niggas do you dirty with a laundry act. Put your body in a dryer like Halloween, nigga. Got my mic on my face when I bust a nut off, but I'm so sweet to that pussy, and I'm so deep in that pussy. Know that I'm new, but when I'm through, it's over for you. VETERANS, I'm like, damn. And now she wanna be my gasoline can, and I'm her gasoline and her fireman. Touch and put fire to this land. If they ever try to take me out, this shit is more than rap, it's more than music, but it's more to that. So I focus on my previous. My chick so diva, I wish you could meet her. And if you ever seen her, she like amnesia with finer features and hot as heaters. But you found her and now I got her. Now you hot as heaters. So got the work on the table, it's cooked right. Got the shotty by the table, it takes lives. It's going down like the Twin Towers. Got bricks on deck like Tony said, watch out for those cowards. So I stand tall like fuck them all. I'll be damned if they try me. Put the work in the toilet for the people won't find it. Put my words in the water, in a pot or a skillet, and watch me come out hard, and I'ma make a killing. I'm focused on the reason, and the reason is to get it. They drag my name in the mud, and yeah, I got some flaws, and I can't fuck with broke bitches. Fuck all of you hoe niggas. I'm getting hit in the house while the car running. Fuck that nigga, hold up. I can turn this beat into soda, and all we sell is cola. And the work move fast like motors, and the work pay off like lawyers. And I can get you murked for a low budget. No, that's not a good look, and neither is your bitch. And all my bitches better. All my whips sit high like saddles. I'm flyer than that seagull. I'm a horn dog like Austin, a doctor like I'm evil. But I will take the chance long as my chances like an eagle. I'm so evil. Just a young nigga tryna make it. Tell these hoes niggas stop the hating. Young pilot got the money, and these hoes bought me like Hefner. You Hefner, don't mess up. When pilot come around, they'll dress up. You fresh, then I'm fresher. Hot car outside like the engine running. Got bars on deck like a prison homie. Put the gun in your eye, that's vising. More money, yeah, for my team. Your team just be so garbage, like a Gladware bag in a trash can. I got them body bags, and I'm so LGM, so let's get it. Smoke weed every day like Buddy Nelson. I don't know about these niggas, they tellin'. I know bitches, they ain't got no feelings. Quick to run up in the nigga shit with no tellin'. J's on my feet, Chris Paul, Tim Duncan. Riding past the weed, get high like fuck it. I know me, I don't trust no one. These hoes fake like Hollywood. Flow been 6 hits twice now. Kill any beat, be the best out. No nigga couldn't even touch a point to tap out the window, get the poppin' out the window, put your body in the river, so old man, I'm flying. Come on, Zodiac, you got the wrong fucking line. Take off in the air, I'm so airborne. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, like NASA. Pilot leave your shirt like ketchup. Esco got the chopper, LG, got the powder, AD. Couldn't even be hotter, my nigga so sick, got the 4/5. Money be the motivation, if you want an altercation, go hard and I dominate.